Welcome back to another episode of Ali's Digger Diary from the Highland Show Centre up near Edinburgh. This is Scot plant. So it's Thursday afternoon, and to be fair, by the time you watch this video the show will have finished because it'll go up on Saturday afternoon, probably when we're all packing up. But I'll take this opportunity while it's quiet and there is no public around, just to show you around the stand for those of you that didn't manage to get up here to have a look for yourselves. So as you can see, we've got a lovely clean van. I wonder whose that is. It's mine, but it does look clean, doesn't it? There's Trucker Tim over there somewhere as well. I went and said hello to him. Where's his? Oh, he's behind that yellow thing, whatever that is. So we'll move from left to right. We have got the DL 420 CVT loading shovel. For those of you that don't know what the numbers on the shovels stand for, 420 is 4.2 cubic meter capacity in the bucket. So 580 is 5.8 cube, etc, etc. And I don't know if anybody's realised yet, but DL stands for Develon loader. DX is Develon excavator. There's a DA30 dump truck, Develon articulated dumper. What else is there? And then of course we've got the DD Develon dozer. But anyway, we'll get around to that. So 420, we've got a DX55 with a Geeth tilting hitch. We've got this beast, which is a DX225. That one's sold to GTR Contracts. Looks as though it's got demolition / forestry garden on it. All made in house, I believe. We've got heavy belly plates and standard belly plates on this one. We've got the DX140 LCR with the digger guard kit on it. We've got a Scandinavian style tilting bucket. We've got a DX100W. This has 4-wheel steer and it's essentially an 8-ton top like that one over there, on wheels. But the unique thing about this is that it's 4-wheel steer. We've got demolition grab, Pro Dem demolition grab on that one. New shape DX63, which looks very similar, as you can see, to the 8.5 tonners. And we've got a DX19 with a Develon hammer on it. So centre of attention on our stand, this is the middle of our stand, we have got the DD130, and as you can see we have the customer's name sign written to it. So this has done 2 or 3 months of demonstrations, and it has been purchased by S. Richardson Contracting. So this machine will be working in my area. It's going to get a mounder fitted to the back of it, continuous mounder. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see how that goes, whether I'll be involved in looking after it. I imagine I would be. There's a lad from HQ that has been on the training course as well. But I think I'm going on it soon too. DX85 with post knocker, we'll call it post knocker. Got this cute little thing, look. This is a DL80 TL, so that means it's a telescopic loader and it's a Develon loader. So these are built under license by Giant, I think they call themselves, just in Develon colours. But it's a handy little truck, this. Telescopic. We've got 140 LC7. Is this a K? It is a K because it's the facelift version with all of this deleted. That's quite cool. All the refueling pump, AdBlue tank, all tucked in there nicely. And then access up onto the top, if you haven't seen already. is just in the back of here. We've got a set of steps. Marvellous. There's only one of these in my patch at the moment, but we haven't had to visit it yet, which is only a good thing. Right, we're getting close to the far side now. We've got this DX235 kitted out with this Vulture car dismantler attachment. So this is what Baxenden car breakers need to invest in, isn't it? Beast. It's not just as well, it's not this, it's not a like for like, is it? Because these are fixed as opposed to, I'm sure theirs you can squeeze it in and out, can't you, these pincers here. But very similar on a 235 top. So it'd be handy in their yard because you've got no tail swing, have you? The back here we've got a big hog low loader trailer and a big dump trailer, and we've got this beast DA30 dump truck. So what I'll try and do over the next couple of days is try and get some footage of the rest of the show. I'm sure you've seen enough of these orange machines, so we'll go and have a look at some different colours, shall we? Right, it's Friday morning, first day of the show. I don't think the public are in just yet. Let's have a look at my phone. Oh, 15 minutes to go until the public are allowed in, so I'll just go for a quick wander around, see what we can see. JCB 4CX here, but come and have a look at these wagons. We all like shiny things. Look at this. That's some truck, that, isn't it? Hellfire. Anyway, another one here. A massive crusher on the back. JCBs. We'll have a good look round. I'll maybe not commentate. I'll maybe just do a kind of wander around and time lapse it, because you don't need me to point out the obvious and go, oh look, Manitou. I think that'd be better. What sort of engine's in here? This is a Lugong shovel. I can't decide what sort of engine it is. Cummins engine. Some of these XCMGs as well over here, these seem to be making a bit of an appearance. end of day one at Scot and it has been busy. So busy. I think word got around that we had hot dogs and drinks, and around lunchtime our stand was packed. Been talking to a lot of people, met a lot of you viewers as well, which has been really nice to put names to faces. So yeah, stay tuned for day 2 tomorrow. Right, that is the end of day 2. So what I'm going to do is have a quick look around the show, show you some bits and pieces that I've definitely not had time to go and see. Here's our man Develon. Darren, you got any words for the YouTubers, Darren?
Thank God it's over, but it's been very, very successful.
We've had a good couple of days. We've had a good couple of days, haven't we?
And thanks to everybody for coming to see us.
Absolutely.
That's what it's all about.
Right, I'll have a nosy around the show and I'll put some clips in next. So here we have Sunny Stand. That must be a 50 tonne of that. That's a fair beast. 140. I think these run Cummins engines. Might be wrong. Big telehandler. Cranes. There's getting more and more of these about, I think. Do a whistle stop tour. Everybody seems to be sort of packing up now. Lieber. It's a fair unit. Makes ours look like a tiny toy. Another Chinese brand of digger that seems to be getting more and more popular is these Sunwoods. And just a bit further up here there's these XCMGs. We'll go and have a look at them. I thought they just did mini diggers, but look, there's 20 tonner here. I don't know what the cab's like. Very similar looking final drive. That's it these days, everything's sort of the same hardware, just on a machine that's a different colour. And they've got the RT boom ram on the backside. Here's another Chinese brand of digger, XCMG. They're actually quite a big manufacturer in Asia. Not a bad little cab. Probably a lot of machines these days are probably like for like not too bad, but it's just all about the backup and keeping them going and part availability, isn't it, these days? Seems to be the thing that people are looking for. Merlot. Literally everybody's heading for the gate to go home and I'm starting my first tour of the show. I think I've missed half of it down that way. Everybody's trying to pack up discreetly. Another Cabelco there. Ooh, vans. There's a Hydrocrip van, look. Nice. Racking just like mine. Nice little bench. Drawers underneath it. Look at this neat little compact unit, look. False floor. That's a good idea. Yeah, man, crew cab in the front. Take the kids to school, go out and fix diggers in the afternoon. Keep going, keep going. Giant Hoover. We've got here Field and Forest Yanmar dealers, look. They're definitely a different colour, aren't they, Yanmar? They'd stand out on a job site from your standard orange or yellow. And a full black one there. These are all wagons and trailers here, look. This is the crane game section. Oh dear, look at the size of that one. See more and more of those, don't you? Those excavator vacuums, vacuum excavators. Here's Melex. There's the digger girl's digger. I used to have a chat to her yesterday, if you've seen on my Instagram. I'll show you this 140 over here. It's a bit of a special unit, look. Got a track frame on this. Totally redesigned to allow for a longer track frame. Wider track pads, 4 rollers along the top. Big widespread. For walking on water. It's a hell of a bit of kit, isn't it? Wackanoosin. That's a smart looking machine, isn't it? That is well equipped. That'd be the equivalent to our DX100W. Looks very European, doesn't it? Very smart. I'm not very good at commentating. They've got this neat idea. I don't know if this one does it. Does that one do it? No. Oh, there's one, look. You can tilt the cab over on it. See how like a baby tiger cat cab rocks. So if you're working on a uneven ground, you can lift the cab level. So you don't need a tilting bucket, I suppose. Neat idea, don't see many of them. I am absolutely exhausted. It has been a really busy 2 days. It's been great to meet everybody that's came to the stand, put some names to faces. So if you have bumped into us at the Gordon stand,
don't believe a word that man tells you.
You've been here. You haven't just photobombed me, have you? Right, yeah, like I was saying, if you have came and said hello to us on the stand over the last couple of days, thanks very much. Hope you've enjoyed the show. That's a quick look round. I've seen enough plant now. I'm going to go and not look at diggers for the next 24 hours, and business will be resumed on Monday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.